Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Either it's going to be a Amazon, which will have my affiliate link down below. And if it's a website, their link will be down below. Both links are safe to click. Just definitely check them out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. We have a YummyBazzaar 40 volt walk behind 18-inch lawnmower. We got the electric kind. It's still warm outside, so I'll be cutting the lawn with this today, and you'll see it in action at the end of the video. We're about to open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, look at this. I like the blue a lot. Looking good. You got some stuff on the side. Got the manual right there. It must be the battery pack and all that good stuff in that box. And this. Oh. Here's where the baggie. Okay. And that's nicely made. There's a 40. Yeah. Very nice. This should be an easy one to put together. So, I'm going to pull this thing out of the box right now. Here we go. Got some nice wheels on it. Got those two things right there. Next up, here's the bag, the manual, some wheels. Here it is, battery. We have it fully charging. Looking good. Should be good to go for a test run with this video. And I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Here we go, guys. That's where the battery goes. Once you lift it, there's a key right there. I'll show you in a second. Really nice. And they got the adjusters on the other side. This is my first electric one, so really good though. These handles gave me a little bit of trouble. Just the washer goes there. Gotta run it through like that. There's the bag. And then the other side right here. That's where you adjust the height. All the way. Boom, boom, boom. 18-inch. Really nice though. Nice color. Really happy with this one. And now, here's the key. That's where you turn it on. Start it. You gotta hold the handle. You're good to go. See right here, the slip. Oops. There we go. Let's put it in there. Make sure it's locked in pretty good. Yeah, we're good. And now battery goes in there. And we're going to cut some grass. Be right back. YouTubers, here we go. We got this thing going in action. See, lawn is really good. YummyBazzaar. There it is. Here we go. One more time. And it's super quiet too.